Nice. Hello YouTube, Pokemon Trainer Slater here, back with another video, and today we have a Pikachu V Shiny Fates box and the Marnie Premium Tournament Collection. So we'll go through this second and give it a breakdown of what is inside it. But for the first one, we will go through this. So as we know, we get the big giant promo, the normal little promo, code card there, as well as 4 packs. And this one we've got 3 Charizard ones and 1 Carbonite one. So let's go with the Carbonite one first. There's a code card for you guys at home. 1, 2, 3 at the front. Let's get rid of the fire. And it's a grass energy. Let's just throw that to the side. So we have Wake, Rusted Sword, Rotom, Ruki, Yammer, Morpeko, Tutel, Eevee, an Amiz, rare Reshiram, and a Dreadnought for the rare. So let's get that Reshiram sleeved up. And put that out there. Okay, so let's get into the first of the 3 Charizard packs. And let's see if we can get a Charizard from these packs. So there's a code card for you guys at home. 1, 2, 3. Let's go with Psychic, and it's Lightning. And we've got Thwackey, Rotom, Rusted Sword, Trapinch, Nickit, Weasel, Shinx, Coughing, Reverse Hollow Morpeko, and a Feeble for the rare. So let's get that there and that there. Okay, let's get into the next pack, which is another Charizard one. As you can see, got a bit of an error where it's been cut too loose. So let's go card for you guys. Let's go with Fighting Ninja. And it is a Fighting Ninja. So we have Floatzel, Dartrix, Fall Guy, Cacnea, Trapant, Weasel, Spinarak, Shinx, a Shiny Volts Phalanx to the rare, and a Celebi. Oh, sorry, for the hollow spot, not the rare. And Celebi for the rare. So let's get this sleeved up. So that's not too bad so far. Let's go with the last pack. And there is the code card for you guys at home. 1, 2, 3. Let's go with Lightning. And it's a Psychic. So we have Gym Trainer, Rotom, Floatzel, Rowlet, Tutel, Morpeko, Coughing, Glassifleur, a Shiny Vault Ditto V in the reverse spot, and a Decidueye Forest Camo in the rare spot. So let's get this Ditto sleeved up. Okay, and now we've got those, we'll just push them up to the side out of the way, and we'll do a comparison compared to what we get in the Marnie Premium box. But before we get on to that, If you haven't entered into the competition, make sure you get yourself entered in that. Just like, subscribe to the video, and just put a comment saying I am in, enter me, choose me, pick me, whatever you want. And then if you look to this side here, you will see all my social medias that you can catch me on, including Twitch. Also, if you like energy drinks, try Rogue Energy. Get 10% off using code Slater1990, and that's 10% off all orders at the checkout. That includes all the shakers that they have on there, as well as tester pack. But please remember, you gotta be 18 plus to get that, because it still has caffeine in it, and kids have too much energy as it is, so we can't be having them have more energy. Right, so let's get into this Marnie Premium Tournament Collection, which has the Marnie artwork pretty much all over it, and Pokemon have gone to this little milk carton style, so it's less packaging, which is really good, more environmentally friendly. Let's get this opened up, and we'll have a look at everything that we get inside it. So to start with, we get the dice. We get some condition markers. We get this big dopey size Marnie coin. We get these Marnie sleeves. We get the Marnie deck box, which has the Velcro at the front of it, which is, to be fair, it's a good quality deck box. So that'll be fairly useful. You get 7 packs in there, so you get 2 battle styles, 3 chilling rain, 1 with voltage, 1 dance ablaze. So just put them in that order, and we'll open them in that order. And then we also get these, so I'll just open these up. Okay, let's get rid of this, and we have the Marnie Full Art Trainer promo card, and then we have 1, 2, and 3 of these Marnie holo cards as well. So we will get this one sleeved up, and put that to the side up here, and then we'll put these 3 up there as well. And let's get rid of everything else, get that all to the side, and we shall then move on to the packs, starting with the oldest to the newest. So let's get into this. I've seen that some people have had amazing pulls with these, some people have had not so amazing pulls. Oh, code card for you guys at home. Let's go with lightning. Let's fire. So we have Kaboo, Gothorita, Fletchender, Dunsparce, Houndsweet, Spinarak, Pawpaw, Diglett, Carablast, and, not too bad, a Crobat V for the rare. So let's get these sleeved up, or should I say this? Very good playable card, and you get 2 promo versions when it comes to the next elite, not elite trainer box, but next trainer toolkit that comes out later on this year. Getting the second pack, which is Vivid Voltage, which is probably the tightest pack I've ever opened. There we go. Code card for you guys there. 1, 2, 3. Let's go with Psychic. It's water. And we're starting with Beer, Girafarig, Moo Cheese, Seedot, Picky Beck, Mudbury, Joltik, a Weedle, Dusclops for the reverse, and an Electros for the rare. So let's get those over there and get those out of the way, and then move on to these final 5 packs. So let's start with the battle styles. Oh, so they've done that wrong. So let's go card for you guys there. 1, 2, 3. Let's go with Psychic, Fire. So we have Vero, Heatmore, Phoebe, Mindfu, Pachirisu, Kapig, Bronzor, Spoink, a Cronkleder, and an Electivire for the rare. Let's move on to the next pack. And let's see if they've done this wrong again. Aha, there we go. Let's go card for you guys at home. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Fire. And it's dark. So we have Grumpig, Hero, Carnivine, Galarian Slowpoke, Glammeow, Sizzlipede, Onix, Chimecho, Reverse Hollow Marowak, and a normal Marowak for the rare. So we're twinning up on those. So far, 4 packs versus 4. We're having better luck from the Pikachu Shiny Face box, but we've still got these 3 to go. Those. Code card for you guys there. I'm not even going to look at the colour of the code cards from these because they've been all over the place. Let's go with Psychic. It's dark again. So we have Cybold, Melanie, Brawly, Heracross, Lobopus, Weedle, Galarian Farfetch, Rainiform Cast Form, Reverse Hollow Sangoose for the rare, and Kecleon for the rare. Okay, last 2 packs. Let's hope we can get something amazing out of one of these. So I have a code card for you guys at home. 1, 2, 3. Let's go with Fire, and it's Grass. So we have Echoing Horn, Single Strike Squirrel Piercing, Avery, Cast Form, Sunny Form, Spiel, Patina, Rockruff, Shuppet, Reverse Hollow Cast Form, and a Grantlock for the rare. Alright, so we need a bit of last pack magic for this one, and hopefully get something absolutely amazing. And I've knocked everything over. Alright, so there's code card for you guys at home. 1, 2, 3. Go with Psychic and Lightning. So we have Pioneer, Honey, Drizzile, Aron, Dealing, Delibird, Lavester, Mareep, Laffy, and Galarian Moltres V for the rare. So that is a pretty good comeback, to be fair, to land with that. So that's saved up. And let's have a look at the best cards that we pulled for this video in reverse order, starting with the most recent. So we ended up with Galarian Moltres V, Crobat V, Ditto V, Phalanx, and a Reshiram. So please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. And also don't forget to get yourselves entered into the contest.